Hey everyone, this is Sahil Malhotra, principal attorney at Trishti Law. Today I wanted to hop on here and just talk about something really quick. Comprehensive searches and as they exist in trademark law. Searching is something so essential to in almost every trademark attorney's daily life, especially when you have a constant amount of clients usually coming in. And it's a conversation that I have to have with clients all the time. And I've always found it a little bit challenging to try to explain that searching in a trademark process is beyond just typing a name or entering a logo into a Google search and finding some information out. Searching is a critical part of a trademark application because we want to make sure as trademark attorneys that the brand that you want to protect, the brand that you find so unique and essential to your creation, we're able to protect it. We're able to federally protect it. And, almost any basic trademark service through a law firm, through an attorney, always comes with a basic knockout search and clearance. And that's almost any trademark attorney worth their salt will do with your trademark application. What's another layer is a comprehensive search. This is where we, as trademark attorneys, usually bring in a third party who has access to databases through an algorithmic based search. No matter how many search skills, no matter how much Boolean search logic you might learn as a human being, you're still a human being. We're not necessarily going to be able to figure out what an algorithmic based search can do for us. So what we usually do is this is an additional service we offer to clients. And what I tell clients and trying to explain what's the difference, because more often our clients ask, is it really worth it? Do I need it? And what I like to say is imagine you have your brand in hand and you're supposed to walk into this cave where you're going to get that trademark registration. You're going to walk in this cave where the USPTO is sitting down and you're going to get that trademark registration as soon as you go in and you figure out what's in that cave. Now, do you want that cave to be dimly lit or do you want that cave to be mostly lit? Me doing a clearance search, a knockout clearance search is like putting a candle inside a dark cave. It's somewhat lit. You feel a little bit safe, but we still don't see everything. Getting a comprehensive search, which is usually at an additional cost at most law firms, is like putting a bright light bulb inside a dark cave. There'll still be dark corners that we might not be able to see, but at least we have a better idea of where your brand stands and how we can approach your application moving forward. So that was my little spiel on comprehensive searches. I hope that was informative. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these quick little shots where I explain basic FAQs that go through a trademark application process. As always, if you have any need for an intellectual property attorney, please feel free to click the booking link in my profile and reach out to me and I'll see if we can be a good fit to work moving forward. Thank you, everybody. Bye.